Hello, my name is Dr. Aris and I'm a chiropractor with Natural Healings, and I'm here to talk a little bit about some of the common conditions that we see in our clinic on a daily basis and how Izest can potentially help improve the therapy that we're doing in our clinics, but also help maintain a little bit of wellness for you when you're at home. We're very happy at Natural Healings to introduce Backzen to our patients because it does a lot of things that reinforce the therapy that we're doing on a weekly basis, especially for things like chronic pain, which we discussed before. The Backzen is great at stimulating and enhancing a lot of the natural postures and positionings that we want the body to be in. To start, the Backzen has a curvature, okay? So this curvature is 25 degrees. It mimics the natural curves that we want in the body from a neck, mid-back, and low back perspective. So when the patient lies down and goes over the Backzen, it naturally creates that equal lengthening that we want for the ligaments to keep the bones in place. But we call this a passive therapy. But on top of that, we also do things to stimulate the muscles around to make tight muscle groups that are very stiff and tight to protect the spine. We allow them to relax. We allow them to relax by using two key features, okay? One is infrared plates. These infrared plates, especially for people that do have chronic conditions, you need something that's gonna stimulate heating and warmth in muscle groups, because we will develop what is called calcification or fibrosis within the muscle. It's locked into a very negative position. So the heating will help alleviate that. It stimulates excess blood flow to the area. It pumps the area full of blood and also is able to eliminate toxins that build up within the region. The other important feature is going to be specific acupuncture points along the whole length of the Backzen. One is going to be at the very base of the spine, and the other is going to go into the mid-back, which allows the body to activate meridian channels and stimulate immune function or increase immune ability of the body. On top of that, we create muscle confusion. Okay, the body adapts to everything that we do. So if you only have muscle stim of one sort, the body will get used to that very quickly. But the Backzen uses 6 different modes, okay? So it uses chopping, kneading, and combination therapies to actually stimulate the body and the muscle in very different ways at different times. And on top of that, this will only go along the spine, but occasionally we have muscle aches, pain, stiffness in other parts of the body. So there is an attachment point that will allow for muscle stim to be had, whether it be in your upper back and neck, or even if you wanted to go lower, let's say on your legs or calves. The final aspect of the Backzen that can't really be, I would say, stressed enough is the need for relaxation, okay? We live in Singapore, everything is go, go, go. We're constantly under a state of stress. So sometimes we have to stop, relax, and just take a deep breath. And the Backzen will allow us to do that. Not only is it gonna be therapeutic by all the features that I mentioned previously, but it also will incorporate what we call soundscapes. It allows our mind to shut off and allow the therapy and your body to do what it knows it's already supposed to do. It's a natural form of, I would say, at-home care that really helps us and helps our patients in the clinic. So when they're not able to either make appointments or are in a more serious state of bad health, the Backzen is a great tool that we use in conjunction with our therapy.